Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I don't know what your mother told you growing up, but my mom said you had to wait till bulbs go dormant to transplant them, but I can't think of any bulb that wouldn't tolerate being transplanted while it's in active growth. And I'm going to do that today for a crocus that I admire a lot. It's Crocus sieberi Bowles White. I think it's often called Crocus sieberi alba. It's one that used to be widely available from the bulb vendors, but I haven't seen it offered for sale in a long time. In my own garden, many gardens ago, it always was in bloom by Christmas and bloomed well into January. And it's a very gray day today, so the flowers aren't open. But I want to transplant these because they're struggling to survive, but it's a little white crocus with a yellow center, looking sort of like a fried egg. And Crocus sieberi is typically more of a violet color, but this is a white form. And the curious thing is that I've grown any number of the typical lavender selections of bowls of Crocus sieberi, and they always start blooming later than this white form. But there's a bit of a sedum and a lot of this ornamental ground cover raspberry, the Rubus pentalobus, the five-lobed leaf, which is a lovely evergreen ground cover. But I'm going to transplant it to a location where it'll have a little less competition. And with a little bit less competition, it should improve. Oh, look, there's quite a bit more bulbs than I imagined. Well, that's wonderful. These are crocus, and no, technically these aren't true bulbs, but they are corms, and I couldn't explain to you what the difference between a corm and a true bulb is, but this species of crocus has a papery tunic, or no, it's more of a net-like tunic, and that's somewhat important in identifying the different species of crocus. It's a fairly good-sized genus. I think approaching 100 different species. And August Bowles was an English gardener who was very fond of bulbs. He was also a garden writer, so wrote any number of books on gardening, including My Garden in Winter, My Garden in Spring, My Garden in Summer, I guess probably also My Garden in Fall. Is that a little bit more of it? No, that's a little grass seedling. Well, we're just going to take it across the way here and put him back in the ground. I'll pull a little bit of mulch back. When you transplant anything, whether it's a bulb or a hosta or something, it's also a good time to divide them. Now, there's not much of this crocus, so a whole lot of division isn't going to happen today. Well, maybe almost not. No, there's 3 separate bulbs. So, now often when you transplant bulbs while they're in active growth, or as the English like to say, in the green, they will, I like to say, grumble. Of course, it's not something that's audible, but the foliage will look unhappy, and you'll feel guilty and think that you served them wrong, but I promise you next year when they return, they will be in perfect shape and won't show any sign of having been transplanted a year earlier. So that's all there is to it. And I look forward to this little Crocus sieberi Bowles white multiplying in this location and a little bit more visible in this location. This bed looks rather empty this time of year, but there's a bunch of summer growing things that fill this location, and so it's nice to have things that are occupying the same space in opposite seasons. The crocus in the winter, and then the summer things like Amorphophallus and the buffalo gourd filling it in the summer. Now that I've transplanted it, the final step at this point is to water it in, and I'll have to come back and do it. I don't have my watering can with me right now. And because our collection is a curated collection, we keep records on everything. I'm going to have to tell our plant records person to change the bed location from, this bed over here to this bed here. But that's so we can keep tabs on everything we have in the collection, about 27,000 different plants. Thank you for your time today.